In this numeracy notepad, we're going to look at adding and subtracting decimals. It is very important when pupils are adding or subtracting decimals that they add together the correct columns. The easiest way to do this is to look at the decimal point and make sure that the sum is lined up correctly. I would really encourage that they write the sum using columns. 12.32, if I want the columns to be correct, I would need the 6 to go there and the 3 to go there. At the moment, it looks a little bit wrong because of this gap. So we can fill in a 0 into this gap to make it look a little bit better when we come to do the sum. We can also put a decimal point in the answer so that we know our sums are in the correct columns when we answer them. And then it should be a straightforward adding sum. So 2 add 0 is 2. 3 and 3 is 6, 2 and 6 is 8, and my 1. So the answer to the add sum is 18.62. If there was a need to have carries, you can still carry in the same way you would with a normal adding sum. We're now going to look at taking away. Same idea, they need to make sure that the sum is lined up correctly, and with every takeaway sum the biggest number should go on the top. So 30.44 is going on the top. I need my decimal points, so I've got 9,925. Again, I can put my decimal point in my answer, and this time I've got a gap on the top, but again you're allowed to put as many zeros to fill in the gaps at the end of a decimal as you need to. This first column could cause a problem because on first glance people would just think the answer is 5, but they need to remember that to start with you cannot do 0 take away 5. So you need to borrow, and we always say we knock next door. So the 4 will now become a 3, and we're going to borrow 1 and make this now 10 take away 5. 10 take away 5 is 5. 3 take away 2 is 1. And then we have another problem here. We can't do 4 take away 9. But when we look here, we've got a 0, and we can't borrow off a 0. So instead, we will make the 3 a 2, making this 0 now a 10. Now the 0 is a 10, I can make it 9 and borrow to make my 14. 14 take away 9 is 5. 9 take away 9 is 0. 2 take away nothing is 2. So the answer to this one is 20.515. I hope this has helped today, and you will use our other videos to help you with your other topics. Thank you very much.